This is Pat from Pine Lake Parts in Plainwell, Michigan. If you have any questions about this 1996 Johnson motor, you can give me a call at 269-347-0014. This is oil-injected Johnson 40 horse, 1996. Has power trim. Comes with a remote. You can either get a binnacle remote or the side mount you just saw there. Motor's in nice mechanical condition and cosmetic. It had a hole in the hood, was about the biggest defect on it, which I am repairing right now. And then I'll touch up the paint. So I'm going to do a cold start on it. It's been 24 hours since I last started it. I like to start them cold after they've sat. And I've done adjustments because I did a sink and link on it. Make sure everything's working good from cold start. Gonna let her warm up for a minute. You can see a real good stream over there. So what I did to start it is I primed the primer bulb, lifted the warm-up lever right here, turned the key and pushed in to choke it. I'm going to turn on my exhaust fan, which is kind of loud. Now I'm going to go into forward. Nice running engine, real smooth. I'm going to turn it off and do a warm start. And for a warm start, all I'm going to do is turn the key. Like I said, any questions, give me a call. 269-347-0014 or go to our website, pinelakeparts.com. I will ship this motor anywhere in the continental U.S. So give me a call.